Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to send mail to someone by using this Flutter application. For that, I am going to teach you, and in my previous video, I will teach you how to do a call, how to send a message. Now, let's just do same procedure again, which we done in previous two videos. First of all, copy and paste this. Instead of this message, write here an email. After that, here instead of SMS, I have to write mail to send a mail to anyone with the email address which is provided over here. Here they're going to provide an email. Let me change it to a email so it's easy for debug purpose. Now you can just remove this. Now we have our send a call, message and email. We have to do a same procedure. First of all, let's just again copy it, paste it, and instead of SMS, I'm going to call it an email. Now we have one more controller with email. Copy it to save the time. Paste it again. Instead of this SMS, now we have to provide one controller with email. Instead of this message, I'm going to provide email. Now inside this service, here as you can see, we have a service.call. Instead of the service.call, we have to provide service.send mail. Now it's going to send a mail which is provided inside this text field. Let's just run this code and let's just see output on my here emulator. It's retarded successfully. Let me open that manually, which we created. Now as you can see, let me just change this from message to email for debug purpose and hot reload it again. This is changed to email. Let me provide my email address which I provided inside my description to send help for you. Zaltechlearning@gmail.com, and just press this email button. It's going to take you to your email to send email to that address which you provided in text field. I never use this email in my email address, so I have to just provide this add an email first of all and all those stuff. You have your on your mobile phone, so you do not have to do that. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. As you can see, whenever I click that send button of email, it just redirecting me to my email address, but I haven't provided anyone over here, so I do not have. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. If you do like my video, then do like to my channel or do like to my video, and if you want some more videos, then do subscription to my channel. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.